Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Subaru Outback battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Safety is paramount, so put on your safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your Subaru Outback is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set before you begin any work. This ensures a safe environment for the entire process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Start by locating the negative terminal, which is typically marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Using your wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal and remove the cable. Always remove the negative cable first to prevent accidental short circuits. Then, proceed to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable, and remove that cable as well. With both cables disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. Unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in place. Be mindful of the battery's weight, which can be around 30 to 40 pounds, and lift it out carefully. Now, gently place your new battery into the tray, making sure it's oriented correctly with the positive and negative terminals in their proper positions for easy connection. To install the new battery, connect the positive cable to the positive terminal first, then connect the negative cable to the negative terminal. Ensure all connections are tight and secure, then reattach the battery hold-down clamp. Double-check everything before closing the hood. You've successfully replaced your Subaru Outback battery. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.